What's up everyone, today let's talk about the playback problem, because previously I have done a video on how to avoid this playback problem, how to fix the lag issue and also, but I think many people didn't like it, and of course it helped some people, but it might not have helped a lot of people because I see a lot of dislikes on my videos. So I'm going to do this video again. First of all, what I want to say is that a good computer is required, a good machine is required to do a good project. But for a small project, your daily laptop or desktop could be okay if you have these three things in mind that I'm going to tell you right now. So let's go ahead without further ado. The first thing I would like to tell you is that when you play your playback here in the timeline, it depends on how clear your video is playing. So in my case, I'm playing with full playback resolution, so you can select here, and if it is not playing well, then you can go to 1:2 or 1:4 or 1:8, 1:16, depends on you. So you're watching this video means likely that you have a problem. So as far as possible make it to 1:4. It still gives a clear picture, you can see. Yeah, still gives a clear picture. So that is the first thing you have to keep in mind. The second thing is that your format, in which format you're shooting your video and in which format you're editing your videos and all. For me, I use Nikon DSLR and I have no problem. I can import directly and start editing with no lag. But what I do was I shoot in my mobile phone and then I put in this Adobe Premiere Pro directly, but it was not playing well. So if I convert with Total Video Converter and then put it into this thing, into our wave format, then it always plays well. So you can do that way if you're using other kind of cameras and mobile phones and all. So the third thing I'm gonna tell you now is the multi-tablet. So if your video happens to be like this, and in one screen, in one frame, many videos will be playing along simultaneously, then you gotta get this problem most of the time. So what I'm gonna tell you is edit one by one, disable everything. I mean, hide all the view. Suppose you want to edit this one only, then hide everything like this, and in screen this got disappeared. So this is the only one right now in my frame. So edit this one according to how you're going to do it, and sync the audio, obviously do it. And then if you're done with this footage, then disable this also and click on this one again. So you do this one again, and then if you are done, do it again on top of it, and then do as you wish, one by one independently. So when you are done with these things, enable everything, and export it. Once it is exported, everything will play fine, that I promise you. So those are the three things I would like to focus, and if it is still not working, then I still have one option for you as a bonus. Go to edit and then preference, go to general and check this memory, what it is there in the screen. Installed RAM, I have only 3.5, and then RAM reserved for other application I have 0.8 only. So RAM available for me, it is 2.7 GB left still. So when you increase these things, then you have only 1 GB for editing. So that means it's obviously gonna lag. So what you need to do is, if it is showing something like this more than, then bring everything to the minimum, so that you can also run other things as well, but the main focus is on this editing, so you will not have lag. If you have done all these 4 steps and still you have problem, comment in the comment section below, and then we will try to figure it out how to do more stuffs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.